Whoa, look at that. A police car just sitting there. I bet it would be so much fun to drive it around. I'm totally going to steal it. I'm the police now. Time to go for a joyride. Woohoo. This is so cool. I feel like a race car driver. Pull over immediately. You are driving a stolen vehicle. Uh-oh, they're after me. I didn't think this through.
Stealing a police car? Are you serious? You're in big trouble, kid.
I'm sorry! I didn't mean to. It was just supposed to be a fun ride.
This is not a joke, young man. You're under arrest for grand theft auto and reckless driving. We're calling your parents.
At jail.
Classic Caillou, how could you steal a police car? We raised you better than this. You are in so much trouble, young man. This is unacceptable.
I'm really sorry. I didn't think I'd get caught.
Sorry isn't good enough. You're grounded for 3 months, no TV, no video games, and no computer. And you will have to do community service to make up for what you did. The police will let you off easy this time soon, but next time, you won't be so lucky.
This is the worst day ever. And so unfair. All I wanted was a little fun. Now I'm grounded for 3 months. Ugh. Wow.